Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix iOSGods app on iPhone iOS 18. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to update the application. Check if there is an update available for the iOSGods app. Go to the App Store, search for the app and install any updates to ensure compatibility with iOS 18. The second step is to clear app cache. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find the iOSGods application and tap on it. Select Offload application to clear the cache without deleting your data, then reinstall it. The following step is to check device compatibility. Ensure your device meets the requirements for the iOSGods app. Sometimes older devices may experience issues with newer app versions. The second last step is to reinstall the application. If the app is still malfunctioning, delete it from your device. Press and hold the app icon until options appear. Then select Remove App, reinstall it from the official source. The last step is to restart your iPhone. After reinstalling, restart your iPhone to refresh the system. This can resolve temporary glitches that may affect app performance. Following these steps should help resolve any issues with the iOSGods app on your iPhone running iOS 18. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.